but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But
come on, move out of the way. Move. I need Pokemon. I know they're here somewhere. Yeah. Where is the Pokemon? Oh, there she is. Look at her. Beautiful, magnificent. We're gonna have to try and catch her, but we need to be careful. Let's go, guys. I think there is Pokemon in here. There's a dog Pokemon in there. I wonder if I can catch that dog Pokemon. That's a real life one though. I haven't played Pokemon Go in forever, dude. Last time I played this, I was in high school, I think. There's another one. Or there's loads of them in this area. Let's get this bastard. Ooh, nice. We have catched 2 Pokemons in this forest. And there's probably a lot more of them lurking around here somewhere. But I think we have to move on. Because I'm terribly, terribly hot. So let's see where we're going. Okay, I leveled up, I don't care. Okay, let's just drive around and just see what we find. It's like really nice that it's so nice out. But right now I wish that it wasn't this hot. Jesus. Man's walking in shorts and in a shirt. That says a lot about how hot it is right now. And we're moving into fall, it's not even summer anymore. Okay, is there any Pokemon in this area lurking? I can smell them. They're not too far away. My Pokemon penis is tingling. Oh no, these guys are stuck in traffic. You should have gotten motorcycles. Oh, I love having a motorcycle. Oh, there's a doggo. Hi! Nice dog. Let's check if we can find some Pokemon in this area, guys. I can smell it. They are here. Industrial area. This is where all the working class Pokemon are hiding. I wonder what's up here. What does it say? Trial team. Oh, it's like they ride a trial up here. It's like motorbikes and stuff. That's cool. There's like so many kids here, and they're all looking at my bike. There we go. The kids are going crazy with my bike. It's kind of fun. Well, we got another Pokemon, guys. That's nice. A Lillipup. Look how cute it is. It looks pretty useless though, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what even you do in this game. Do you just catch them all? Or do you fight? I don't know. Wow, look at these ramps, dude. They're fucking crazy. Can you imagine like someone actually riding up this? It kind of makes me want to get into it. They're so obsessed with my bike. I don't want to ruin their air, so I can't give a lot of gas. That was really funny. They were like holding on to the fence, just watching my motorcycle. Kids love motorbikes, man. You just can't get around it. It's like every time I ride, it's like some kid just wanting me to rev it up, or yeah, something like that. I didn't want to like go too hard because I don't want to blow their eardrums out, because this bike is very loud and it's very warm. I can feel it. She's running hot today, boy. Ah, she's sweating. I can't help it, guys. I'm sorry. I know we're just catching Pokemon, but I have to give give a little gas, you know. I have to get it out of my system. I am a Pokemon too, guys. And I'm one of the fucking wild ones. Okay, and then now we can check another area. I have a goal. I want to catch 20 Pokemons. I was about to say 100, but I don't think we can catch 100 Pokemons today. But I want to catch 20 Pokemons in one day of riding. And if this is fun and you guys like it, then this is my new hobby. Just riding around catching Pokemon. I am a child on the inside. I should not have this bike. Well, I should. Because that's what brings me joy in my life. Ooh, the Porsche boutique moved up here. Wow, dude. There's only electric Porsches there. That's a fucking bummer. Oh, some of them are really nice. That's 911. I really just want to go into that Porsche store and just see what's up. Mercedes is here as well. Oh wow. This is like wrecked cars and stuff. I'm just going to like every remote area ever. And I'm looking for Pokemon. Okay. Let's get this phone out and check. You know, you do kind of feel like you stick out like a sore thumb when you're sitting on a motorcycle looking for Pokemon and talking to yourself. This thing really needs to update faster. Oh my god. They need to fix their game. You need to fix your game. Whoever is making it. If I'm gonna make quality content of Pokemon Go, we can't have this. I found one. Now this one looks weird. It's like a Dalmatian, is that what they're called? Like the dog with like black and white spots. We have catched another one. Let's go, this is fucking going nice. How many have we got now? We have caught 6 Pokemons. And I need to get fuel. Fuck. It's expensive to play Pokemon on a motorcycle. Look at all these people working their jobs and being productive, selling cars and clothes and what have you. Fucking wasting their time. They should all be sleeping in every day like me and then going out and catching Pokemon on your motorcycle. That's the real good life, let me tell you. She looked like she wanted to have a word with me. Oh, that's a cool car. That's like a Mustang, I think. Wow. Wow. That's nice. That's a rare Pokemon right there. Is it weird that filling up my bike makes me thirsty? I'm really thirsty right now. And gasoline smells so fucking nice, right? Am I the only one who thinks that? And also, the exhaust fumes coming from this bike, they are fucking rich. You feel me? You can feel that it's like been fucking oil in there and stuff, and it's probably not good, but whatever. While we're here, let's see if there's Pokemon here, guys. Holy shit. That was an Aston Martin. Oh my god, that's a nice car. I really want to go back and look at the car. Okay. We got it. I am very hungry, so I'm not going to go back for the Aston Martin, but I really want to. Jesus Christ, you guys are coming out of here quick. You need to let me in. Bruh. Thank you to that man, wherever you are. Thank you. Oh, you guys, I was sitting in the sun and eating my burger and having a Red Bull, and then it hit me, the fucking sun. Jesus Christ. Although I'm not Christian, but Jesus Christ, that was fucking hot. It's very, very warm outside, and I'm sweating my ass off. So you know what? We're gonna find Pokemon while riding in a t-shirt. This shit is so freeing too. It feels so nice to be riding in a t-shirt sometimes, and only that. We actually do have like 14 left to catch, so we have some work to do. Oh, it's a fucking golf course. Yes. And there we go, guys. We just hit 20 Pokemon, and my energy level went straight up, because now that means that I'm finally fucking finished. It doesn't seem like it to you guys, but I've been riding out here for a long time. And now we're back where we started this morning with the first Pokemon, and we got all of them, thank God. So there you go, guys. If you have nothing to do and you have a motorcycle to ride and you don't know where to ride and what to do, just fucking ride around and get Pokemon, because you'll explore all these fucking rural areas thinking there's nice Pokemon there, but there ain't really shit. But without further ado, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for joining me on my Pokemon adventures today. Ride safe, catch a lot of Pokemon. I'll see you guys in the next one.